Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a bank account from your Stripe account using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you are on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. You need to log into your account, so simply log in. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, you're gonna go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now again choose the option settings. In the settings menu, you can see the business section. Tap on it. Now in order to view your bank accounts, tap on more. Now select bank account and currencies. Here you will see the list of bank accounts associated with your Stripe account. Now scroll a bit to the right. Here you can see I have two bank accounts linked with my Stripe. You can see the three dots right next to the bank account details. So tap on the three dots beside the bank account that you want to remove. And here you will see the option delete bank account. Tap on it to delete your bank account. It will ask you to confirm that you want to remove this bank account. So tap on delete. And that's it. You've successfully removed a bank account from your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.